Nature reveals its beauty in different ways. Nature is alive and ever-changing. When a natural disaster strikes, lives change in an instant. A traumatic event like a hurricane leaves destruction, chaos, and often loss of life. Two hurricanes, Irma and Maria, hit the Turks and Caicos Islands in September 2017. The aftermath was devastating. The islands suffered severe damage, and the main health center, the Interhealth Canada Turks and Caicos Hospital, was affected. During the storm, the Interhealth owners contacted Daikin for a solution that would secure the operation of the hospital's 2 air conditioning units. Having quality air and the right temperature is especially critical to provide patient care and safety during an emergency. Immediately, Daikin executed an emergency plan with the expertise of our cross-function team. Key actions were taken to guarantee the continuous operation of the system, while in parallel, working on the replacement of the damaged units. Service department sent technical experts to assess the damage of the existing equipment. Spare parts were delivered immediately in order for the existing system to keep operating. The commercial team coordinated the rental of a chiller as a temporary solution. A rental chiller was installed to continue the hospital operations. Daikin worked on the final solution for the chiller replacement, a turnkey project from design through installation, ensuring quality in all project stages.
It did impact us in that we do have large biomedical equipment that are very temperature sensitive and humidity sensitive. We had to bear that in mind in terms of how we diverted the remaining cooling capacity to, and we really had to downgrade our services to emergency level to be able to withstand until our cooling and air handling systems got back up. Thankfully now we are back up to our 100% air handling and cooling capacities, and so we're at full services, which is part of our resilience related to our recovery process. So we're happy to say that the investment that we've had in our air handling and filtration systems and chilling systems is a worthwhile investment both for our patients, visitors, and our staff.
Efficient and dynamic teamwork resulted in a successful execution of the solution for the emergency. The hospital was able to continue operations throughout the crises. Thanks to Daikin's immediate response, we were able to take care of our patients and keep the hospital running during the hurricane. Daikin provides solutions across Latin America and the Caribbean. No matter where you are or the type of your business, our flexible solutions will meet your demands. Daikin Solutions, for all your needs, anywhere, anytime.